100 Years of Solitude, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, book summary. Watch till the end to discover. The core premise of 100 Years of Solitude revolves around the Buendia family in the fictional town of Macondo, a world where reality and imagination blur in magical realism. This epic tale spans 7 generations, capturing the cyclical nature of history and human experience. At its heart is Jose Arcadio Buendia, the patriarch whose dreams of greatness lead to the founding of Macondo. As the family grows, they encounter love, war, wealth, and tragedy, each generation grappling with the burdens of their ancestors. The narrative is a sweeping exploration of time, memory, and the inevitability of fate, tracing how actions echo across generations. Three transformative insights emerge from this work. Firstly, the cyclical nature of history emphasizes the idea that those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. The Buendia's struggles illustrate how deeply ingrained patterns persist across generations. Secondly, Garcia Marquez's use of magical realism serves as a powerful tool to depict the irrationality and wonder of human life, blending the extraordinary with everyday struggles to deepen our understanding of reality. Lastly, the novel explores solitude as an intrinsic part of the human condition, suggesting that while individuals may be surrounded by family or community, they are ultimately alone in their personal struggles. Memorable moments abound, such as the mysterious rain of yellow flowers following the death of a beloved character, and the unforgettable image of Remedios the beauty ascending to the heavens, embodying the novel's intertwining of the magical and the mundane. These scenes linger in the mind, evoking the richness of Garcia Marquez's storytelling. Gabriel Garcia Marquez, born in Colombia in 1927, was a Nobel Prize-winning author known for pioneering magical realism. His works often reflect the tumultuous political history of Latin America, with 100 Years of Solitude becoming a cornerstone of Latin American literature. Marquez's unique narrative style and profound insights into human nature have earned him a prominent place in literary history. This book matters today as it delves into universal themes that resonate through time. In an era marked by global uncertainties and cultural intersections, Garcia Marquez's meditation on history, memory, and identity challenges readers to reflect on their own narratives and the cycles that influence their lives. As a takeaway, consider how your personal history impacts your present choices. Reflect on the patterns in your life and seek to understand them rather than ignore them. Embrace the magical elements of your own story, recognizing that even in solitude, there is a world of meaning waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.